Good morning everyone. Today we are going to do sum number 3 from exercise 4.2. Okay. So first column is okay. We have to prove without expanding determinant, the value of determinant 2, 7, 65, 3, 8, 75, 5, 9, 86 is equals to 0. Okay, so first we take left hand side and using property we have to prove the answer of this determinant is 0. Okay, to take 0 or to get 0, first we have to try any two row or any two column be identical. That means corresponding elements are same. Then by property second we can say that value of determinant is 0. Okay. Now you can see here 65, 75 and 86. Here 7, 8 and 9. So we can transfer column C1. That means column C1 is transferred to C1 plus 9 C2. That means first we have to multiply each element of column C2 by 9 and then add in column 1. So we get 2 plus 9 into 7, so 63. 3 plus 9 into 8. 5 plus 9 into 9, so 81. So first column is transferred into C1 plus 9 C2. Okay, now second and third column are as it is. So I can write 7, 8, 9, 65, 75 and 86. Okay, now first column becomes 2 plus 63, 65. 72 plus 3, 75. 81 plus 5, so 86. Second column as it is. Now you can see here column C1 and column C3 are equal. So we can write is equals to 0 by property 3. C1 is equals to C3. That means two columns are identical and therefore value of this determinant is 0. So we can write LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. If you want to write down these steps. Otherwise I will give you PDF. Okay. This sum is also done by another method. I can show you. Okay, we can take left hand side. So determinant is 2, 7, 65. 3, 8, 75. 5, 9, 86. Okay. We can also write column 3 as 65, so I can write 63 plus 2. 75, so I can write 72 plus 3. 86, so I can write 81 plus 5. Okay. Why? Because we have first column is 2, 3 and 5. Now we are using property 5. 2, 3, 5. 7, 9, 7, 8, 9. And here first term is 63, 72, 80. Plus first and second column as it is. And here 2, 3 and 5. We are using property number 5. If one row or column is a addition of two numbers, then determinant is expressed as a sum of two determinants. Okay. Now, in this determinant, I can write 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 63. So I can write 7, 9, 5. Okay, 72. So I can write 8, 9, 81. So we can write 9, 9. And here value of this determinant is 0. Why? Column C1 is equals to column C3. That means by property 3, value of this determinant is 0. Now, we can take out 9 common from column 3. So, 9 is common. So, first column is as it is and in last column plus 0. Okay. So, 9 into value of this determinant is also 0. Why? Here C2 is equals to C3. That means C2 and C3 columns are identical. Plus 0. 9 into 0. So 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. So RHS. So you can do this sum by this second method. Okay. That means if we want answer 0 in right hand side, then we try to make two rows or column identical. That means two rows or column as corresponding elements are equal. Okay. Now we do sum 4. You can do sum third by which method you prefer. Okay. Now fourth sum. First column is 1, 1, 1, BC, CA, AB. Okay, this is our fourth sum. We want 0 on right hand side. So first we take left hand side. And I say you, to get 0 in right hand side, we try to make two rows or column identical. Okay. So first I can split third column. Okay. So here AB plus AC. Here BC plus AB. And here AC plus BC. Okay. Now you can see we have three terms AB, AC and BC. Here AB plus AC, here BC, here BC plus AB and here AC. here AC plus BC and here AB. So if we add second column in third column, then all elements are equal. That means AB plus BC plus AC. So we can write C3 transfer to C3 plus C. You can also write like this, C2 transfer to C2 plus C3. Both are same. Okay. So now column C3 transfer into C3 plus C2. So determinant is 1 1 1 BC AC AB. Now AB plus AC plus BC. BC plus AB plus AC. AC plus BC plus AB. Now we can take common AB plus BC plus AC from column 3. So AB plus BC plus AC. So first column is 1 1 1 BC AC and AB. We can take in common out AB plus BC plus CA from column 3. So here only 1 1 and 1. Okay. So AB plus BC plus CA as it is, and value of this determinant is 0. Why? Because C1 is equals to C3. That means first column and third column are identical. That means corresponding elements are same, 1 1 1 1 1 1. So by property second, answer of this determinant is 0. And therefore AB plus BC plus CA into 0 is equals to 0. And therefore LHS is equals to RHS. If you want to write from C3. Now, question number 5. Y plus Z, Z plus X, X plus Y. Is equals to 2 times determinant of A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. Now we have to prove value of this determinant is 2 times A, P, X, B, Q, Y, C, R, Z. Okay. So first we can take left hand side. Now you can see here B plus C, here C plus A, and here A plus B. Q plus R, R plus P, P plus Q. Here 3 variables A, B and C. In second column 3 variables P, Q and R. And in third column 3 variables X, Y and Z. So now we row R1 is transferred to R1 plus R2 plus R3. That means in first row we are going to add second row and third row. So here B plus C plus C plus A plus A plus B. So here 2 times, otherwise I can write B plus C plus C plus A plus A B. First row as second row and it is third row. Okay, element of first row, second row and third row. So R1 plus R2 plus R3. Here U plus R plus R plus P plus P plus Q. And here Y plus Z plus Z plus X plus X plus Y. Okay. Now second and third row as it is. So I can write C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. And third row A plus B, P plus Q and X plus Y. Now first row becomes A plus A 2A, B plus B 2B and C plus C 2C. So I can write 2 times in the bracket A plus B plus C. Here 2P plus 2Q plus 2Y. So I can write 2 and here I can write 2 times. Okay. Second and third row as it is. C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. A plus B, P plus Q and X plus Y. Okay, now we can take 2 common from first row. Taking common 2 from R1. So determinant is 2 times here A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, X plus Y plus Z. Second and third row as it is. So C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. A plus B, P plus Q and X plus Y. Okay. I can remove this step. Now sum is so simple. Here A plus B plus C, here P plus Q plus R and here X plus Y plus Z. So first R1 transfer to R1 minus R2. Okay. That means from R1, row R1, I can subtract R2. So A plus B plus C minus C minus A. So here we have only B. Here P plus Q plus R minus R minus P. So we have only Q. And here X plus Y plus Z minus Z minus X. So here only Y. You can also do like this, C and A. So here B, R and P. So here Q, here X and Z. So here Y. Okay, second and third row as it is. Now C plus A, R plus P and Z plus X. And third row is A plus B, P plus Q and X plus Y. Now we want only one letter. So here B, Q and Y. Here B, Q and Y. So we can do R3 transfer to R3 minus R1. Okay, so now change which row? Third row. R3 minus R1. That means first and second row as it is. So B, Q, Y. C plus A, R plus P. Okay, now third. R3 minus R1. So A plus B minus B. So here only A. P plus Q minus Q. So here only P. X plus Y minus Y. So here only X. Now 2 is as it is. Now we just want to remove A, P and X. So R2 transfer 2. R2 minus R3. That means from row R2 we can subtract row R3. So now 2 as it is. So first row is as it is. B, Q, Y. So C plus A minus A. So here C. R plus P minus P. So here R. Z plus X minus X. So here Z. And third row is as it is. Okay. Now we want answer, in answer 2 times APX BQY CRZ. Here our answer is ready, but columns are interchanged. So APX is first row. Here APX is third row and BQY is second row, and here BQY is first row. Okay, so first we can change first and third row. So R1 transfer to R3. That means first and second. Sorry, first and third row are interchanged. That means first row becomes third row and third row becomes first row. And as you know, according to property number 2, if we interchange any two rows, otherwise two columns, then determinant change sign. So here we can write minus 2. Okay, so first row A, P, Z. Second row as it is. A, P, X, Y. And B, Q, Y. And you also see in the answer, we want B, Q, Y as second row and C, R, Z as third row. So now I can write R2 and R3 are interchanged. That means second row becomes third row and third row becomes second row. And as you know, according to property number 2, if we interchange any two rows or any two columns, then sign of determinant is change. So minus 2 becomes plus 2. So our answer is A, P, X, B, Q, Y, C, R, Z. And this answer is we want. So LHS is equals to RHS. Okay. Okay. Now this sum is also doing by another method. I will show you. Okay, we can take left hand side. Okay, this sum is also doing by this method. Okay, here we can transfer row R1. R1 minus R2 minus R3. That means from first row we can subtract second row and third row. So here B plus C minus A, sorry, minus C minus A, minus A minus B. Okay, here Q plus R minus R minus P minus P minus Q. Here Y plus Z minus Z minus X minus X minus Y. Second and third row as it is. Okay, now here plus C minus C plus B minus B plus R minus R plus Q minus Q plus Z minus Z plus Y minus Z. So now we have only here minus 2A, here minus 2B and here minus 2X. Okay. C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. Now we can take minus 2 common from first row. So now our determinant is minus 2 A P X, C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, A plus B, P plus Q and X plus Y. Now simple. Here A, here P and here X, and here also A, here P and here X. So we can do R2 transfer to R2 minus R1 and R3 transfer to R3 minus R1. That means from second row we can subtract first row, and here from third row we can subtract first row. So our determinant is first row is A P X, C plus A according to this occasion, C plus A minus A, so C, R plus P minus P, so here R, Z plus X minus X, so Z. According to this R3 minus R1, so A plus B minus A, so here B, P plus Q minus P, so here Q, X plus Y minus X, so here Y. And in answer we want C R Z as third row and B Q Y as second row, so I can do R2 and R3 is interchange. That means second and third rows are interchange. And as you know, according to property number 2, if two rows or columns are interchanged, then determinant change its sign. So minus 2 becomes plus 2. And A P X, B Q Y, C R Z is equals to 1. Okay. You can see post-op sums are do one or another method, and you can do which method you prefer the most. I will send you these sums by PDF and also some sum for homework. Okay.